What's up, everybody? This is Eric Chuka. I am the creator of the F.I.R.E.D Up Wealth movement, and this is my very first YouTube video on my new channel. I wanted to create this channel to help young investors, inspire young investors to save for retirement at a young age. Not only do I have this YouTube channel, I also have a website. And just today, we released, with partnership with stockcard.com, we released the F.I.R.E.D portfolio. You can actually subscribe to that and see which stocks I'm picking, and those are updated on a weekly basis. The reason that I'm doing all these different things is really to try to help young investors, inspire young investors to save for retirement at a young age. We have what I feel is an epidemic in the United States with people not saving until it's too late for retirement, not planning for the future. And I just think it's wrong. I think it's a travesty. When I was in my 20s, I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't know what I was doing. And through trials and tribulations, wins and losses, I developed what I feel is an excellent, a very risk-free portfolio and strategy to both short-term and long-term wealth. And that's called the F.I.R.E.D movement. It basically is a spinoff of what you hear FIRE movement. That's financial independence, retire early. Now with F.I.R.E.D, you're not retiring at 30 years old, and you're not being as frugal as either. I'm in my early 40s, getting ready to retire. I've lived my life up to this point. I take vacations, I travel. I've got a nice house, I've got nice things. I don't live in an RV and eat ramen noodles, and I'm still gonna be able to retire young. A lot of people say, well, it takes, for you to make a lot of money. That's not necessarily true. I didn't make, decent wealth until I was in my, mid to late 30s. And I really didn't save aggressively until my 30s. I started saving when I was 20, in my 20s, early 20s, but very small amounts. I'm talking like $50 a month. And that gradually increased as my income increased. The thing that's important that I'm really trying to teach young people is that time is more valuable in the long run. If you've got a 20-year run rate where your money can actually, work for you, and you have 20 years to have compounding interest and dividends and accruals, you're going to be in a very good position. If you start working at 22, and even if you start with a little bit, by the time you're in your mid 40s, you're going to have the flexibility. You could retire early. You could leave your corporate job and decide to start your own business. You could volunteer. It doesn't mean you're just going to, not do anything and watch Oprah all day. It means that you have financial independence to live the life that you want to live. And what most people don't realize is that it's in your grasp. Everybody has the ability to do this. You have to force yourself to save. You have to force yourself to plan. You have to have a strategy. My goal is to help young people not only create that strategy, but also to inspire them to invest young, and to hopefully grow those investments and invest more of their money as they make more income. And I wish I would have had somebody in my life, a mentor, somebody that I could follow, that I could learn from when I was younger, and I never had that. In fact, I didn't really find anything even close to that until the last couple of years. And those people have actually inspired me to do what I'm doing right now. So I hope you subscribe to the channel. This is the very first video of many. I plan on doing several videos a week. I'm going to look at not only stock advice, so it's picking individual stocks and breaking down the stocks, what I think the pros and cons, the SWOT analysis of each stock pick, but also just very general financial advice about how to save money on bills, just different things that they don't teach you in high school and college. Finance 101, personal finance 101 is something that needs to be taught more and more in school, not only in high school, but in college. There's just so many people that don't even know how to balance their finances, balance a checkbook, how to save, how 401ks work. So I'm not a financial advisor. Not here to make money off of people. I'm simply trying to share my experiences with the world, and hopefully, help a few people. I'm trying to give back from what I've learned. So I'm just finishing up my day here. The market's going to close in about an hour. I'm sitting in my home office. This is where I work every day. My day job is I'm a sales executive in the software industry. I do software sales, software consulting sales throughout the United States, and I've been doing that for a while. Um, but this is something that I'm going to be doing more, mostly nights and weekends in my spare time, trying to help folks like you. So please do subscribe, and we'll be in touch very soon. I look forward to hearing from you. Feel free to comment below and check out the link for the portfolio that just went live today, as well as my personal website. The website is firedupwealth.com, and there's a blog on there as well as a general methodology. This is just getting started, so look for a lot of updates in the coming days and weeks. Thank you. I hope to see you guys around and see you subscribing, and have a great rest of your day.